is a high degree of risk involved in trading cryptocurrencies. Our thoughts and ideas are for entertainment purposes only. Please consult your personal advisor or do your own research. Past results are not indicative of future returns. Thank you.
Good morning. It's Friday, May 11th. We got a red day, not totally unexpected. So let's run through these charts and get ready for the weekend. We've got our pulse of the market crypto software in front of us, pulling volume from 39 exchanges. So you can still see here that volume is not coming down. There's not a lot of volume on these sell-offs. We have went to new lows on the price. We have had, looks like an ABC to the downside. And again, volume's not coming in very heavy, so I still think this is constructive. So no issues there. Let's go to our trading view, where we're normally at. We've got the 2-hour Bitcoin in front of us. I had showed that I really thought we was going to try to go a little bit higher yesterday before we had this downdraft. So you can see I had the blue line here showing a sell-off to maybe 8,400. I had support here marked for quite a few days at 8,500. So we have come down to those levels. So I think we can get rid of this. And I still think we're doing the B wave here. So whether it's done or whether we got to mop it up again down here a little bit more. I think we've had the 5 waves up. We've had an A here. We've had a B. And then if you know my bigger picture, I'm still looking out for another 5 waves up to above 11,750. Somewhere up in this area. So, so far so good. We got a little volume coming in down here. And I can see from some other areas that volume is coming in, but that'd be expected on a low here, so I'm not worried about a little bit of volume coming in here. There's going to be a little bit of selling climax here with this weakness. So let's go through a few more of these. Finally getting a little bit of action. Here's Bitcoin Cash. Can't really read that pattern. I mean, really, this is probably the A off the low, and then an ABC down to really previous support. So looking at the bigger picture, I still think this one goes still higher. So this is an AB, and then we got a C higher to probably 2,200, something like that. Dash 395. Same thing here. All these charts, we're going to have an AB, and then we dig in here. We're going to go C to the upside, have a nice run to the upside. Classic. I'm showing some Fibonacci retracements. Wyckoff really uses a lot of 50% retracements. I do like looking at Fibonacci here and seeing the 0.382 and the 0.618. A lot of these coins that came down to the 0.618 support, which is here at 1785, which is where we're trading now basically. So once again, A, B, and I think we're going to follow these trend channels and go up to new highs again for this rally. Ethereum 682. I had this marking. I really thought I was going to do more of a 785, 800, and then come down and maybe do this 646, 650. We have came down to 669. So again, we're back down to previous 4th wave support. So I'm guessing we're pretty well done with the B wave. So the low's in, or we put the low in sometime today, tomorrow. And then once again, another strong rally. I got 920 or so on here, 930, 940, but I'm guessing it's going to be much higher than that. Probably get above this 990 level, at least spike up through that. So I'd give us more room to the upside. I'm not sure about this C wave down, so I don't want to really talk about that. I do think somewhere here we get this rally strong here. Litecoin, I had the move showing a move down to 140. I've tried to warn about. So once again, we've gotten that. Let's take that away. Same thing. A to the upside. A here. B here. And then a C up for this D. We've been talking about that 220 level, so I would still say that's a level we're talking about here. And then the C won't have to be this deep. I don't really know if it'll be a 220 down to 120. Let's worry about that later. This is an A, B, and then hopefully a C wave rally to 220. And we've got NEO, much deeper than I would have expected. 0.618 is around the 64 level, which we're 64.90 right now. We did spike down to there, so and I had this support level going back from before. So a good place to rally here. So once again, A, B, I would think something higher here. OMG came down pretty heavy, 0.618, almost tagged it perfectly. We're going to throw an uptrend line in there for now. So A at the high, B, another new rally. Ripple, 70 cents, came down to previous support here, and also a line we had marked before, so obviously a simple place to try higher again. So same thing here, A, B, C, the upside. We've got ADA, USDT. We put the 0.618 retracement. Actually, it's held at 0.5. So I would like this coin here. Once again, AB. So I think ADA will lead us back higher. EOS finally had the break that we were kind of looking for. I thought maybe something down, down to the 15 level. We broke all the way down to 1350. That's a 50% retracement. So again, that's one that a lot of big names are liking and talking about. So I think EOS could look good from here. XLM USD, one of our usual ones, down 9%. It's between the 50 and 0.618 retracement. I think that one's still okay. XVG came deeper than we wanted. Made another new low. I've changed the markings here. So I'm guessing this is still a spring and a 0.618 retracement. So I think XVG will firm up. That one will need to be sold on the next rally. Probably. Zen USD. I talked about this maybe trying to spring these lows, and we've done that. So we came down and made a 30.60 or so. Right now we're 31.72, so I would think this is probably reaccumulation and still higher prices now on Zen. So once again, an AB holding above, really holding above the halfway retracement, the 0.382. So another strong coin. ZRX, don't know what to say about this one. No retracements on here to speak of. I would think that one continues to firm up. I nibbled a little bit on that for a few people here today. Definitely still higher risk, obviously, with the triple off the low. But, triple or quadruple off the low. But that one acts like somebody knows something. And just a few more quick ones here. Let's, a few more coins we're all kind of talking about. Tron USD. That one back to previous support. We've got the Fibonacci on this one. Back to halfway support. So I would think on Tron you could probably go in here as well, throw in an uptrend line. And call that a B wave low as well. BQX pulling back to a previous trading range. I would think that one still works higher. Here's AMB, we've talked about a few times. Looks like a 50%, a little higher than that retracement. ZIL BTC, looks like ZRX. Not much to say there except extremely strong coin. Let's look at BNB. Kind of slow in the rally, but holding up here pretty well. So that one might look decent here at 1284. A few more here. Subscribers have talked about NEBL, Neblio. All these I think will look okay here. Encash slowed up. That's one some people are liking. So that's had an ABC pullback. That one might be okay here. POA, Gary Like down here at the point, or the 63.37 or so. That one still looks good as well. Poly BTC. Like that one here as well. So, guess that's it for now. I might do an update here this weekend. I will be going home to try to relax a little bit, do a little bit outdoor activities. But if we get any action, I'll try to come back. But I really think we're making a V-wave low here on everything. And the next few weeks should be really good. And let's see what the consensus does starting here in 3 days. Have a good weekend. LearnCrypto.io is the pathway to your understanding of cryptocurrencies. At our website, you can learn about the grandfather of technical analysis, Richard D. Wyckoff, purchase our Cryptocurrencies and Wyckoff trading course, and read our daily updated blog. You can also find the link to our YouTube channel, where you will get technical analysis and fundamental research about cryptocurrencies on the daily. If you are too busy with family, retirement, work, or all of the above, then just click on our Crypto PCG link and allow us to manage your cryptocurrency portfolio for you. You give us trading APIs so we can enter orders and manage your portfolio, but cannot withdraw or transfer any of your coins or funds. We manage clients' portfolios for a respectable 3% annual fee, which is billed in 1/4 quarterly installments. Don't hesitate. Contact us today, because with these 24-hour, 7-day-a-week crypto markets, it helps to have a professional as a part of your team.